I'm supposed to be down in my basement. And it's firing up. Yeah, it's getting pretty rough. I better head in. Oh, yeah. Starting to come in pretty good.